Good morning guys, and welcome to day 24 of our travel daily vlog. Right now we are in Istanbul and the night was very hard. We slept only a few hours on a bus and then we arrived to Istanbul in 4 a.m. It was heavy rain, so we decided to stay in a bus station a few more hours, get some hard sleep over there, and now finally we made it to the city center. And it's still too early to check into our hotel, so we're gonna explore the city. Then later we come back to the hotel, drop our backpacks and go to the city again. Istanbul divided by Bosphorus Strait for the two parts, and technically one of those parts divided by the river for two parts as well. So it's three parts of Istanbul, and we are right now in one of the most touristic part, where is Grand Bazaar, Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque and everything else. So we're gonna explore this part, but later on we will go to all the sites. Every Middle Eastern and Islamic country you can't imagine without bazaar, and Turkey are same. Like if you go to the old part of the city, huge bazaar right here. This is very famous and authentic place called Spice Bazaar, and it's very beautiful inside, and the smell is amazing. And all these things is for the famous Turkish coffee. Turkey is one of the most favorite country for me, and we've been here many times. I'm not sure, but I think we spent a bit less than a half year in total, and we explored the country from north to south, from east to west, and there is no any touristic place which we never visit. So it's very warm feeling when you came back to this kind of country, and everything, especially here in Istanbul, looks familiar. So I'm really glad that on this trip we have a couple days in Turkey as well.
We're in Gülhane Park and we can see and hear parrots everywhere.
And this park located close to Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque, the two most famous mosques in entire Turkey, and we're gonna go there right now. On this statue you can see Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. He was the founder and the first president of Turkey, and he is the most respected person here, so you can see his statue and portraits literally everywhere. We are in Sultanahmet Park, and in this side you can see the Hagia Sophia Mosque, and on this side you can see the Blue Mosque. I think first we're gonna go to Hagia Sophia. So all this is the line to enter Hagia Sophia Mosque. I'm not sure how long we will need to stay to go inside, because the lines look endless. Do you see the end of the line?
Almost somewhere there.
Maybe it starts close to Blue Mosque. Oh my god.
So one of those guards told us that it's not the best time to visit right now because they have lots of groups. So we'll come back in the evening or maybe tomorrow morning at 8 when it's open.
Because right now the line is like maybe 500 meters, and I don't know, we will need to stay there like 2 hours, 3 hours to go inside.
That's
We
hot.
can't afford that. Yeah. So we're gonna start from second most famous mosque, the Blue Mosque. As you can see right now, a few minarets of Blue Mosque under construction, and you can see the Palestine flag and the Turkish flag over there. If you want to go inside the mosque, the ladies should cover their hairs and head, and she doesn't have any scarf, so just yeah. Let's go. Prayer area for men and women are separated here, and always when you enter the mosque you need to take off your shoes.
Somebody half your size is trying to get back.
So crowded, but so
Yes.
beautiful and huge.
Yes.
So this is our room in Istanbul, located in the heart of Old City. It's everything we need. It will be bed, we have air conditioner, also mirrors and shower right here. And it costs $40 and include breakfast tomorrow.
By this bridge we're gonna go to other part of Istanbul, to Karaköy district and then to Galata district to see one of the most iconic building in Istanbul, the Galata Tower, which is right there. And it was built about 7 years ago and it was part of defensive walls and tower, and right now only one left, and it's pretty high compared to other buildings, like 67 meter if I'm right, and it's pretty impressive when you came closer. Galata Tower located on the hill, so a lot of stairs over there and some musician as well.
It's not walking, it's hiking already. You never feel cold.
When you climb, yeah. Okay, the price on label is €6, which is about $6.5, but the price is 10 Turkish lira, which is 4 pair for $1.
Good deal. Here we are.
And here in front of Galata Tower is one of the most famous restaurants. You probably know this guy. His name Nusr-Et and he's sold by. Area around Galata Tower is pretty fancy. A lot of cool cafes, so I think we're gonna have some dinner tonight right here. But now we're gonna go to the top of Galata Tower because there is observation deck with very cool panoramic view. And the good thing's that the line for entrance is not so huge as in Hagia Sophia, so I think it will take us about maybe 5-10 minutes to go inside. Okay, that's kind of stupid, but the entrance ticket we can't purchase inside the tower. The ticket office located somewhere behind the tower, and we don't have enough time to buy it because last visitor can enter in 5 minutes. So probably we're gonna go tomorrow or next time. I don't know. And this is Galata Tower at evening. It's look even more beautiful, but I don't know why, but people still there on the top, you see? And 2 hours ago, the guy on the entrance told us that it's last 5 minutes to enter.
Maybe he said that about tickets, ticket office,
I don't know.
not about entrance. But anyway, it's very beautiful. So guys, day 24 is over. We're happy to be here in Istanbul, and tomorrow we will have some time to explore another part of the city before going to Emirates. See you then.
Bye.